Open the Settings app and scroll down until you reach About Phone. Inside this section, you'll find details such as the device model, along with IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. We'll be checking these values again later. Return to the home screen and launch the IMEI Changer app. As the application starts, a loading screen appears while several components initialize in the background. Wait a few seconds for the startup process to finish. You'll arrive at the main dashboard. Since our goal is to modify the device IMEI, select the IMEI Changer module. The application immediately begins examining the device. During this stage, various checks are performed and displayed on screen. Once the analysis is finished, a complete device summary becomes available. You'll now see information such as the phone model, root status, and both IMEI entries. To continue, press the green Proceed to Root button. This takes you to the root configuration section. Enable every available setting, including OEM unlock, bootloader unlock, custom recovery, BusyBox installation, and super user access. After enabling everything, tap Start Root Process. The root procedure now begins. A progress indicator starts moving while individual tasks appear underneath as they are processed. At the same time, the application automatically prepares the required root resources based on the detected Android version and device model. Several stages are then completed one after another, including OEM preparation, bootloader configuration, root package deployment, custom recovery setup, BusyBox installation, and super user configuration. As the progress percentage increases, some actions are completed instantly while others remain queued until later in the process. A short moment later, root access is successfully enabled. With administrator privileges active, all advanced features become available. Next, tap Proceed to change IMEI. On this screen you'll find three settings at the top: Enable Root Check, Show Success Toast Only, and Keep App in Memory. Below these settings, the application displays the current IMEI values together with options to generate new IMEI or restore original values. Choose Generate New IMEI and then this opens the Smart IMEI Generator panel. From here, you can either enter IMEI values manually or use the Auto Generate feature to create new values automatically. You'll also notice additional masking options, including Mask Serial Number, Mask Android ID, and Mask MAC address. After configuring everything, tap Apply New IMEI. A terminal-style console window immediately appears and begins displaying system activity in real time. The console starts printing various operations such as root verification, module initialization, partition mounting, IMEI slot detection, identifier generation, and validation procedures. Meanwhile, the progress indicator continues advancing as new log entries appear continuously on screen. You'll also notice color-coded status messages. Green entries indicate successful actions, yellow entries display warnings, and red entries appear when security restrictions are being bypassed. As processing continues, more advanced tasks become visible, including radio layer updates, dual SIM synchronization, modem profile refreshes, device cache rebuilding, and Android framework updates. At this stage, the interface closely resembles professional Android servicing software. After all operations have finished, the console stops updating and a success notification appears confirming that the process completed successfully. A reboot prompt then appears on screen. Press Reboot to continue. The device automatically restarts and displays the boot logo. Shortly afterward, a system update screen appears with various optimization messages shown underneath. A few moments later, the update screen transitions into a recovery-style console where additional commands execute automatically in the background. When the update sequence is complete, the device performs one final restart. After Android finishes loading, unlock the phone and return to the home screen. Now it's time to check the results. Open Settings once again, scroll down to About Phone, and review the device information. As you can see, IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 now display different values compared to earlier, and several other device identifiers appear updated as well.